Hi everyone, today we have this platform called MemberSpace and this is the best membership website software. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Here as you can see, basically this is a website that you can utilize to create membership websites, and we have various features on it. Like for example, the first thing that you do is you're going to be setting up your products and pages. Of course, you're going to be creating your digital products and add them to the pages on your websites that you want to be paid access only. And then you can add your member paywall or paywall. So basically add your MemberSpace paywall around the web pages that contains your digital products, and then finally you're going to be accepting paid members and or the guys though who are going to be basically accepted and subscribed. Now below you will be able to see even more features, like for example you can add more payment options. Even Google Pay and Apple Pay are supported. You can sell any products in here. You have your revenue boost features and secure, compliant and flexible customizable features, like for example white label everything, add your colors, your wording, and total customizations are possible. You also have affordable pricing starting from $39 per month. And yeah, so basically it is something that you should give it a try and have a lot of good reviews as well. So if you still are unsure about MemberSpace, let me just get you through some of the reviews. Like for example, MemberSpace is solid platform with amazing customer service, user friendly, great customer service, terrific for rapid experimentation. So make sure to give it a try to MemberSpace using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses.